This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging your Ps5, safety first. Once done, place it on a soft, static-free mat and remove the disk drive if present. You'll slide the right side panel, lift at the corner, then pull toward the outer edge so you expose the interior where the L2 mechanism sits. Make sure to keep screws and panels organized. Losing small parts will slow you down later. Now you can see the controller mount area and the L2 button assembly beneath the top shroud. Next, remove the screws securing the top shroud and lift it carefully. There are plastic clips, so use steady upward force. Once open, locate the ribbon cable connected to the L2 sensor. Gently lift its latch and slide the cable out to avoid damage. Then identify the L2 button assembly and depress its retaining tabs while pulling the module straight out. You should feel light resistance from clips. Keep track of each screw by location, so reassembly will be straightforward and mistakes are avoided. To finish, insert the replacement L2 module aligned with the slot and press until the retaining tabs click. This ensures a secure fit. Once done, reconnect the ribbon cable and lower the top shroud back into place, making sure all clips engage. Replace screws in their original holes and reconnect power and peripherals. Finally, test the controller inputs. If the L2 feels unresponsive, reopen and check cable seating and clip placement. Poor contact is the most common issue and usually an easy fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.